how to unprivate your TikTok account. To get started, you first need to open the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to this homepage where you can view all the contents that are shared on TikTok. Once you're on this page, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Now, from the profile page, go to the top right corner and tap on the three bars. Then, select the Settings and Privacy option from the menu. Once you're on this page, go to Privacy. After that, toggle off the Private Account option. Tap on the Switch button. There you go. You have successfully unprivated the TikTok account. So by following these steps, you can easily unprivate your TikTok account. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.